can't kill what I've become. I scream until I'm numb. Now with the summer skies, you're gone. There's nothing I can do or say to get to you. Now I don't know where I belong.
So nandito ulit kami sa may Wakra for the second time around. Meron kaming event. Nagbablog na rin siya. Oh. Bumili ka?
Libre lang yan. Di ba sabi ko libre lang?
May libre to ha.
Previous din akong ganyan eh, sana, inshallah.
Pwede mo lagay sa harapan yan eh. Para mag-POV. Hello. Hello na kayo.
Bublog, nagbublog.
Shoutout nga pala sa Pisok, Supreme Council.
Let love lies in my head, 'cause I fell for all you said. Too easy.
So yung tropa meron sariling garage. Nakarehistro ba yung mga RC nyo?
Ito, nakarehistro na to. Nilalagay nga yung mga sticker galing LTO.
Mahuhuli yan pag direhistro.
Ang nasa ano.
'Cause I think of you every time it rains. One drop is all it takes.
Thank you Sir Talal for sponsoring this event.
Thank you so much for coming. Have
Yeah.
a good time. Enjoy guys.
Thank you, thank you.
Enjoy.
Number one, Wahed. Director tayo ngayon. Admin Bernett. Saan daw nilagay yung sticker? Hindi nila alam eh.
Yung bilog sa windshield. Tama ba yung ginawa ko, Pops? Tama yan.
Wait, tama ka.
Okay. Yung mga
Check yo! Topas yo!
yung mga binubulong mo. Sige, sabihin mo.
Wala na yun, okay na yun.
Okay.
You want me, baby, let me know. Oh, and if you want me, baby, show me now. Oh, and if you love me, baby, say it now. Oh, and if you love me, baby, scream it out. So just say it now, baby, scream out loud. So just say it now, baby, scream out loud. Baby, say it now, baby, scream out loud. So just say it now, baby, scream out loud, scream out loud. Oh, baby, let me know.
Study out the layout while you're waiting, study it, so you have some kind of advantage. Put a rock there, sunflower or something.
Napipressure na po si Pinsan na
Parang
mag-drive.
parang bakang si
Ang dami,
Mark yan eh.
laki ng pressure sa kanya eh. Oh, yun mo. So ang gamit niya si Biloga.
Pwede nang i-ayos ulit, no?
Love me, baby, say it now. Oh, and if you love me, baby, scream it out. So just say it now, baby, scream out loud. So just say it now, baby, scream out loud. Baby, say it.
Ready na, ready na? Ready na sila. Ang likod.
Vanquish. Easy. Oh, nice! Back it up a little bit.
Reverse mo ba, boss?
Next up, Owen. Sir Owen, one of our track marshals. You're next, buddy.
Okay.
Ramel.
Umer, are you ready? 2, 1, go!
Punta tayo sa may tag of war na category. So dito na inaayos nila yung tag of war. So tingnan natin yung tag of war na to.
2, 1, go! Yes, Alan!
Voila! All right, stay on, go!
Strongest one! Oh my god! Nice!
Pantay yung laban nito.
Wala.
About one.
So papunta kami dun sa may next event, uphill race.
Climb.
Uphill climb. Thank you for the correction, sir. Doon tayo sa taas. Yun, oh. Aakyatin nila yun, taas na yun. So, aakyatin nila yun sa taas, ng taas. Ano to, sabay-sabay o unahan? Yung ganun pala yung dati, unahan. Again, ito yung isa sa mga pinaka-exciting part dito sa ating event. Yung uphill climb race. So, unahan sila ng sabay-sabay papunta doon sa may finish line. Doon sa may tuktok. So, kung sinong nauna ay siyang panalo.
Go! Remember, stay where you are.
Alright, here we go. There's one person in the lead up there. Goodbye, but it's still too early.
Una na isa, oh. Si Mami kasi yata yun, ah.
Go. Climbing, creeping up. Get a pass. Get a pass. Get a pass.
Alright, what's coming is from the corner of this street. All the Oh, Armel! This is Armel Reed! Alright, black guys, good job.
Oh, we got a roller here. Let's go get keep on going. Alright.
First one goes to Armel.
Armel, first place.
Watch my streak. Second one, another camera. Second one.
Yo, second place. Good translation. That camera is unstoppable.
Guys, those who roll, you are eliminated.
Still come third place to gold. Who's gonna get third place?
Alright. Rig number 111 and 130 is coming. Oh! 111, I believe this is for you. Alright. Congratulations, guys.
Easy. Dark clouds won't let me forget. I don't know why I let it